are pretty much printing production, so we do computer page layout and design, as well as pre-press on the computers.
Screen printing, offset printing presses, we learn InDesign.
We have digital printing presses, we screen print, we make buttons, so it's a lot of handwork, numerous types of equipment that's in the industry.
I chose my career tech major because I've always loved art, and I really like learning the mechanics and how everything's made.
One of the job skills that we really try to touch base on is employability skills. That's a lifelong skill. Even if they don't go into the trade, this is something that they're going to remember no matter what kind of career that they have.
This program, we can either earn an OSHA 10-hour certification and an Adobe InDesign certification.
The trade itself is just amazing. There's just so many different parts of this industry, from design to production to pre-press to layout.
It's really given me some good information and some good ideas, and I plan to start my own business with all the information that I've learned here. So it's really given me a jump because I always wanted to pursue art, but I didn't really know how to do it, and it's really opened my eyes, and this is something that I can actually make a living off of.
A lot of them actually go into post-secondary. They'll go to Tri-C, which we are able to get a couple of credits for just taking this program. Also, we have a lot of students that go into the industry. Actually, at one point, I had more jobs than I had students that were available to go work. But I think that's one of the biggest impacts is working with the students and having students come back that are in the trade, or maybe not even in the trade, but sit there and say, hey, Mr. K, there's a lot of things that I remember you teaching me, and they come back and thank me. So that's pretty big on my list.